Okay, good morning everyone. So let me start. So we started with the surface integral. Surface integral of a vector point function f bar over the surface S is defined as integral of the normal component of f bar. Okay, taken throughout the surface S, and it is denoted like this: double integration f bar dot ds bar, where ds bar equal to n cap ds. Remember this. Then hope you remember what the line integral was. Line integral in a force field f bar is equal to integral of tangential component, f bar dot t cap. So in case of surface integral, normal component; in case of line integral, tangential component we are taking, and it is given by integral f bar dot dr bar. Okay. Then we understood what the Green's lemma is. Green's lemma is applicable for closed curve C enclosing area A. Okay, and by Green's lemma, integration of u dx plus v dy equal to double integration del v by del x minus del u by del y dx dy. Stokes theorems also connect the single integral with double integral, but in this case the surface is here required closed curve only. Okay, here we want open surface S with closed boundary C. Say this is the closed boundary C. Then by Stokes theorem, double integration del cross f bar dot n cap ds equal to single integral f bar dot dr bar. Okay. Then Stokes theorem is not applicable for the sphere since it is closed. It is applicable for hemisphere, and it is like this. Uh, the surface integral del cross f bar dot ds bar over the closed surface S equal to surface integral of del cross f bar dot ds bar over the surface S1 equal to line integral f bar dot dr bar over the boundary C. Okay. Same is true for the paraboloid written here. Hope you might have understood it. Same is true for cone. In case of cone also we have closed curve, closed surface, open surface, and closed curve C. So three integrals are there. They are equal, all are equal. For cylinder C, closed surface S, two open surface. It is open from both the sides. So S1 plus S2, okay, and equal to line integral over the two circumferences of circle C1 and C2. Okay, hope you might have understood. Then we understood how we can find unit outward normal. So for the curve surface of hemisphere, the unit outward normal is grad phi equal to n bar equal to 2xi plus 2yj plus 2zk. Whereas for the circle, the unit outward normal is along the negative z axis, therefore minus k, and so on. That we understood. Okay. Then we understood what the reduction formulas are. That already we studied, and we know them very well. We use them in the M2. Okay. Now let me continue. So now what our aim is. So after understanding these three parts, what the Stokes theorem is and how we can use the Stokes theorem for different geometrical surfaces, that we understood in first part. Second part, we understood how to find the normal. Third part, we understood what the reduction formulas are. So using these three things, we want to solve few examples of the Stokes theorem. So let me start. Okay, what the last page number was? 53. So I'll start with the 54, page number 54. Any doubt at this moment? Any doubt at this moment?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Very good, very good. चलो start करते हैं. Okay, run Stokes theorem for paraboloid. Stokes theorem for parabola converted into paraboloid. We understood what the paraboloid is. Right, example number 1. Evaluate, very important example. Double integration del cross f bar dot n cap ds, where S is the curve surface of the paraboloid. x square plus y square equal to 2z. X square plus y square equal to 2z bounded by plane 2z. Sorry, z equal to how it is. Bounded by the plane z equal to 2 and force field F bar equal to 3 x minus y I plus 2 xzj plus xyk. Solution. Okay, so we'll start in this way. Paraboloid is x square plus y square equal to 2z comma z equal to 2. Okay, so right up. Since first example, I think many of you might have understood how the paraboloid is. So if not understood, it is in this way. So z equal to 0, we want to find the value of this x square plus y square equal to 2z. Huh? So that will be x square plus y square equal to, substitute z equal to 0, so 0. So what is it? Equation of circle, right? So we want to write center here and we'll write radius here. So where is the center? 0, 0, 0. What about the z coordinate? Here is the z coordinate. What about radius? 0. Then z equal to 1. So we have x square plus y square equal to 2. So center at 0, 0, 1. From here we are getting 1 and radius is root 2. Then z equal to 2. So x square plus y square equal to 4. So center at 0, 0, 2, radius is 2. So draw the paraboloid. It is like this. X axis, y axis, z axis. Then this is origin. So this is z equal to 0 plane. They are parallel to each other. Since I am drawing it on the 2 dimension, it is difficult to show it. But understand that they are parallel to each other. Z equal to 1 and this is z equal to 2 plane. All are of same size, though it don't look so, but they are of same size. Z equal to 0. So when z equal to 0, we have circle like this. Circle having center at 0, 0 and radius 0. So single point. I think you might be getting it. In z equal to 1, circle having center at 0, 0, 1 here. This is 0, 0, 1 and radius is root 2. Then next is center at 0, 0, 0, 0, 2. So here, but now radius is increased. So radius is like this. Okay, and the paraboloid you might have understood. This is the paraboloid. समझते हैं सर? सबको समझ में आ रहा है ना? Okay, and it is what is given? Curve surface of the over the curve surface. यानी ये curve surface है. Okay, curve surface is S. The circle is S1. Boundary of the circle is C. आ रहा है सबको समझ में? Anyone is getting this ना? जेपते नहीं उड़ा? Okay, so let me change the page. Can I go to the next page? Return. Okay. Right. By Stokes theorem, S curve surface. I'll write it afterwards. Over the circle S1. Curved surface of paraboloid. Comma Z equal to 2, huh? Area of circle है in fact. X square plus y square equal to 4, Z equal to 2. Understood now which circle it is? समझ ले, इतना समझ में आ गया आपको? हमें फाइंड क्या करना है बताओ? What our aim is? Our aim is to find this thing, हाँ? To find. इसको फाइंड करना है हमें. तो हमारे पास दो ऑप्शन है. We can solve the surface integral और we can solve the line integral. दोनों में से एक सॉल्व करना है ना? तो दोनों सॉल्व करके देखते हैं इस एग्जांपल के लिए, नॉट फॉर एवरी एग्जांपल, और उसमें हम देन विल डिसाइड व्हिच वन इज सिंपल. हाँ, सो मैं उसको लिखता हूं मेथड 1 एंड मेथड 2. ठीक है, मेथड 1 आ रहा है सबको समझ में? ये दिखाई दे रहा है? नहीं? सॉल्विंग डबल इंटीग्रल. ठीक है, सो I equal to, now the problem is like this. Our aim is to solve this over S1, huh? So double integration del cross f bar dot n cap ds. आ रहा है ना सबको समझ में? चलो एक एक सॉल्व करते हैं. पहले फाइंड करते हैं डेल क्रॉस एफ बार I j k. Hope everyone remember what the curl is. Del by del x, del by del y, del by del z. दिखाई दे रहा है ना सबको? Okay, then 3 I component of f bar 3x minus y 2xz xy equal to I del by del y of this x minus del by del z of this 2x minus j. Okay, इसका डेरिवेटिव विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x y minus derivative with respect to z 0 plus k. Okay, so del by del x 2z del by del y, so minus 3y, so minus 3 minus minus plus 3 होगा. minus 3y ना, डेरिवेटिव इज minus 3, ऑलरेडी माइनस साइन इज देयर. एक बार चेक करना है आपको भी. हाँ, so it is minus xi minus yj plus 2z plus 3k. Okay, now पहले जो previous page था, you go to the previous page. For me it is not possible. You go to the previous page. ऐसे पैराबोलॉइड है ना, मैं यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करता हूँ. पैराबोलॉइड इज लाइक दिस, like this. Yes or no? This is closed, है ना? Now our aim is to find normal to, ये जो सर्कल है ना S1, उसको नॉर्मल फाइंड करना है. So normal will be along the z axis. This will be the normal. Okay, Sradhan, n cap. Right, outward normal to circle S1 is along z axis. Therefore, n cap equal to k. What is n cap? K. Unit vector along the z axis is k, na? Unit vector along ax, y, z axis are I, j, k. Whereas unit vector along minus ax, minus y, minus z axis are minus I, minus j, minus k. Therefore, okay. Now see, this is del cross f bar. ये हमने जो अभी फाइंड किया ना, वो del cross f bar है, ये वाला पार्ट. ये है n कैप, और हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? ये फाइंड करना है del cross f bar dot n cap. फिर ds का देखते हैं क्या करना है. ठीक है? Yes, let me continue the next page. झेपते की नाही रे एवढं मैथमेटिक्स. Let me change those from direct second year. I know that you will not understand anything, but you have to keep patience. Go on writing the notes. हाँ, बाद में समझ में आएगा. हाँ, बाद में यानी कब? एग्जाम के पहले समझ में आएगा. तब तक पेशेंस रखना है. And you can speak with me whenever you feel that you will not able to pass the exam.
सर
हाँ, बोला ना.
बीएससी चे लेक्चर तुम्ही रिपीट घेणार आहे का?
एक शक्य आहे का सांग? घेणार आहे, पण शॉर्ट मध्ये घेणार आहे.
तर मग ते आम्हाला पण जॉइन करायला मदत कराल का?
हाँ, तुम्हाला मेसेज पाठवते की ज्यांना जॉइन करायचं ते करू शकता.
सर कधीपासून चालू होणार आहे डायरेक्ट सेकंड इयर वाल्यांचे क्लास?
That will be decided by the class teacher and head of the department. ते आम्ही डिसिजन घेत नसतो. आता सुरूच आहेत की तुमचे? हे सुरूच आहे ना? चलो. So this part is known to us. That is 2z plus 3ds. Okay. Now S1. Now I'll go to the S1. समझने की कोशिश करना है आपको. Whoever it is, हाँ. ये नहीं समझना है कि those from DSE. ये नहीं समझना है कि सिर्फ मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है और बाकी सब समझ रहे हैं. हाँ. तो everyone will be in the same boat. 1-2 मिनिट ना. हाँ बोल ना. बोल लवकर शॉर्ट मध्ये बोल. ओके. हाँ हाँ. कोणते इन्स्टिट्यूट आहेत मेकॅनिकल सांग. हाँ 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 हाँ. बरं एक काम मी आता लेक्चर मध्ये आहे. तर आता मी लेक्चर मधून फ्री झाल्यानंतर करतोय कॉल तुला. हाँ, भरू शकतोस, काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. तुझं तुला एखादा मी पीसी देईन, तिथे तू भरू शकतोस, काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. हा, येऊ शकतोस, काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. पण तू येणार कधी? कारण कधीपर्यंत भरायचं आहे ते? 16. मग उद्या जमेल का? कारण मी आज जरा कामामध्ये आहे. हा, मग उद्या. हा ठीक आहे की उद्या मग आपण भरू की, काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. ठीक आहे, चालेल. मला उद्या सकाळी कॉल कर मला सकाळी. ठीक आहे, चलो बाय बाय बाय. सॉरी. हाँ, चलो कंटिन्यू करें. अपन S1 area of, obviously it will be area. Why it is double integral? Therefore area of circle. So sometime I may write circle, but you have to understand that whenever it is single integral it is circumference, whenever it is double integral it will be area. Okay, so if I say circle only, that is also sufficient. Usually in books or whenever you are studying it, now only circle is written. So it is not written that area of circle, circumference of circle. हाँ बोल ना.
सिंगल इंटिग्रलचं काय म्हटलं? एरिया ऑफ
सिंगल इंटिग्रल
पण इंटिग्रल आहे ना.
एक whenever there is double integral, area of the circle. Whenever single integral, circumference of circle. Okay,
got it.
clear? हाँ, x square plus y square equal to का एक सर्कल है, x square plus y square equal to 4, z equal to 2. Okay, so ds equal to, see, z is fixed, right? So now in case of ds we have three options. We can consider dx dy, dx dy लिहितो इथे, or dx dz, or dy dz, or something different from them. But z equal to 2 is constant, right? Who is changing over the area of circle? Only x and y, na? Getting, na? So ds equal to dx dy. Okay, therefore the integral will become c double integral s1 to z. Z is known to us. Z is equal to 2, right? Plus 3. From here I obtain z. From here I obtain z. And ds equal to dx dy. So that is equal to 7. 7 बरोबर ना? 7 dx dy. And what is meaning of this double integration dx dy? इसका फॉर्मूला यही है, एरिया, area of circle S1. Right, now what is the area of the circle S1? Pi r square. What is radius of the circle? क्या है radius circle का? देख लो आप. Area of the circle S1. S1 is here. यहाँ पे है. Right, so radius is 2. 7 into pi 2 square. 28 pi. This is the answer. जेते कि नहीं एवढे मैथ्स? Have you understood all the things or not?
जर एस सांगितलं तर कसं सर, एस चा डबल इंटिग्रल सांगितलं असेल तर?
तेच विचारले ना एक्झाम्पल मध्ये.
नाही, एस हा बाजूचा आहे ना, बाजूचा.
हा, कर्व आहे, कर्व पार्ट.
हा, कर्व आहे.
बरोबर.
तर त्याला एरिया कोणता लागेल?
सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द पॅराबोलॉइड. तो घेऊ शकत नाही, देअरफॉर वी आर युजिंग स्टोक्स थेरम ना. Finding limits for the curved surface of paraboloid is very difficult. Therefore, using the Stokes theorem, we converted that into surface integral over the circle S1 or line integral over the circumference of circle. समजला था? Everyone is getting this ना? समजते ना काय करतोय आपण? See, it was expected to solve the surface integral over the curved surface of paraboloid, but it is very difficult. Therefore, using the Stokes theorem, we converted that into surface integral over the area of circle or line integral over the circumference of the circle. So let me solve by second method. This is the 28 pi is the answer. What we'll do now, we'll solve the same example by another method. This was method 1. Now method 2. Let me use the method 2. Let me change the page. For second example onward, you use only one method, not the two methods. Method 2. Solving line integral. Solve करते हैं चलो. So we have actually solving line integral will be simple. Check करो अपन. f bar dot dr bar. और कहां पे सॉल्व करना है हमें लाइन इंटीग्रल? ये याद रखना है आपको. ये है पैराबोलॉइड. दिस इज द पैराबोलॉइड. ओके, ये है पैराबोलॉइड. x axis origin, y axis, this part is closed. ये z axis है, ये सर्कल S1 है और उसकी बाउंड्री C है. होप सबको समझ में आ रहा है? ओके, सो C f bar is known to us. f bar को लिख दो आप. राइट द f bar. f bar. हाँ, it is given in example 3 x minus y I plus 2 xz j plus xy k. dr bar. What is dr bar? Direct second year, you remember this, dxi plus dyj plus dz k. ये डॉट प्रोडक्ट है, यहाँ पे मैंने डॉट लिखा ना, सो डॉट प्रोडक्ट. सो व्हाट इज द डॉट प्रोडक्ट? आई कंपोनेंट, दोनों के आई कंपोनेंट एक साथ लिखने हैं, x minus y dx plus j component 2xz dy plus xy dz. What is the c? Circumference of सर्कल. सिर्फ सर्कल लिखा तो भी चलता है. x square plus y square equal to 4 comma z equal to 2. Now understand how I am solving the line integral. Okay, so like this, since z equal to 2, tell me what is dz, what is derivative of constant? 0. Substituting z equal to 2 and dz equal to 0 in above integral. चलो सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं. 3x minus y dx, no change. ये 0 हो जाएगा. 2x z equal to 0 plus xy dz equal to 0. So second term is 0, third term is 0. So what is remaining? 3x minus y dx. Getting everyone? और c क्या है? सर्कल, circumference of circle, x square plus y square equal to 4. Now how to solve the remaining part? How to solve this line integral? कोई बता सकता है? सिंगल इंटीग्रल अब कैसे सॉल्व करना है? कोई बता सकता है हमें कि हमें सिंगल इंटीग्रल कैसे सॉल्व करना है? तो अब बात सब छोड़ दो आप. ये है सर्कल हमारे पास. दिस इज द सर्कल विथ अस. ये सर्कल है ना? दिस इज द सर्कल. और उसका ये जो सर्कमफ्रेंस है ना, वो हमें लेना है. सो हाउ वी कैन सॉल्व दिस इंटीग्रल? क्या करना पड़ेगा? कौन सा इक्वेशन यूज करना पड़ेगा? यस, एनीवन? यार बताओ यार. ये सांगा केला जा. तेजस, कौस्तुभ, राणे, श्रेयस, ओमदानम. अरे मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या? आई एम ऑडिबल टू यू?
यस सर.
हाँ बताओ क्या करना है? व्हाट इज टू बी डन? हाउ वी कैन सॉल्व द रिमेनिंग पार्ट? अरे लिखा ना यार, हमने लिखा ना. व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड द स्टोक्स थ्योरम हमने लिख दिया है ये. whenever we want to solve the line integral, कौन सा इक्वेशन कंसीडर करना है? कार्टेशियन या पोलर? yes, to solve the line integral what we have to consider? कार्टेशियन और पोलर इक्वेशन. कम से कम इतना तो याद रखो. ये सांगा के पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन. For double integral, we have two options. We can solve it using the Cartesian form in case of triangle, rectangle, square, and we can use polar equation whenever polar form, whenever there is ellipse, circle like this. This is for double integral. For single integral, we have only one option. We have to consider parametric equation. So, parametric equation of circle is x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta. R is the radius. What is the radius? 2 cos theta. Radius is 2, therefore 2 sin theta. What is dx? Minus 2 sin theta d theta. What is dy? 2 cos theta d theta. आ रहा है सबको समझ में? नहीं आ रहा है तो हाँ बोलना है, क्योंकि काफी बार समझाया गया है. ओके, लेट मी चेंज द पेज. लिमिट्स जो पूरा सर्कल है उसके लिए लिमिट्स क्या है? लिमिट्स ऑफ द थीटा इज द पैरामीटर नाउ. हाँ, इफ यू वांट राइट यू कैन राइट इनसाइड लिमिट्स थीटा इक्वल टू 0 to 2 pi. सो इंटीग्रल विल बिकम, क्या इंटीग्रल है हमारे पास? 3x minus y dx. Substitute all the values. Let me take 3 outside. Theta equal to 0 to 2 pi. What is x? R cos theta. यानी 2 cos theta, sorry. इसको r लेना है या 2 लेना है. हाँ, 2 ही लेना है. 2 cos theta minus 2 sin theta, ठीक है, into dx. dx है minus 2 sin theta d theta. चलो सिंप्लीफाई करो इसको. 4 is taken outside. Now we have to use reduction formula. M equal to 1, n equal to 1, odd. Both of them are odd. M is the power of sine. N is the power of cos. We don't have cosine term, so power is 0. Both even. Using reduction formula number 1. What the answer is? Answer is 4 times, and now 0 to pi by 2. First term will become 0. Odd है ना, इसलिए. Now using reduction formula number 3. Using reduction formula number 3. आंसर आएगा. किसी को याद है क्या होता है? अलग अलग आंसर क्यों आ रहा है?
इवन ला पाय बाय 2 आणि ऑड ला 1.
हाँ,
इवन पॉवरला पाय बाय 2 आणि ऑड ला 1 आणि खालला सुरू करायचं पॉवर.
करेक्ट करेक्ट.
म्हणजे पहिलं डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये मग न्यूमरेटर मध्ये, मग तिसरा असेल तर मग राईट साइडला खाली डिनॉमिनेटर, चौथा असेल तर मग वरती न्यूमरेटर.
ये फॉर्म्युला नंबर 4 सांगतेस.
मग हा कोणता फॉर्म्युला आहे? 2 1 आणि पाय बाय 2 लावला ना.
हा फॉर्म्युला नंबर 3 आहे.
खाली डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये n n मायनस 2 n मायनस 1 n मायनस 2 आणि
माझं तर ऐक की. माझं ऐकणार आहेस काय? हा फॉर्म्युला नंबर 3 आहे. ठीक आहे. दिस इज द आन्सर 12 पाय. बट हा बोल.
दोन्ही मेथड मध्ये आन्सर वेगवेगळे येणार आहे का?
हा, तेच बोलायला लागलोय मी. दोन्ही मेथड मध्ये आन्सर सेम आला पाहिजे. बट अनफॉर्च्युनेटली आय डोंट नो वेअर वी आर रॉंग. एकदा क्रॉस चेक करावं लागेल. बाय बोथ द मेथड्स आन्सर शुड बी सेम. ओके, एकदा 1 मिनिटात मी चेक करतो. गिव्ह मी 1 मिनिट. यू ऑल्सो क्रॉस चेक इट. इट इज नॉट दॅट एव्हरीथिंग शुड बी नोन टू द टीचर. तुम्हाला काही कुठं आपलं एक वी हॅव गॉन रॉंग समवेअर सांगा मला. Yes. I got the point where we were wrong. Yes, sorry. आता तुमचं कन्फ्युजन होणार. पेज ही मला मागच्या पेजवर जाता येत नाही. ठीक आहे. काय करता येईल?
तुम्ही सांगा कुठं चुकलं.
ठीक आहे, सांगत नाही मी, करतोच ते परत एकदा पटापट करतो, फास्ट करतो. ठीक आहे, I'll change the page and I'll do it once again. Sorry. First part is same only, there is no any change. We took the wrong value of z. Okay, so if you see where we have written the method 2 solving line integral, okay, there step number 1 2 3 4, step number 4 substituting z equal to 2 and dz equal to 0 in above integral, ऐसे लिखा है हमने. You got that?
Yes,
हो
sir.
सर.
There it is 3x minus y dx plus 2x and then we have to substitute z, but z is 2, by mistake we substituted 0. Okay, so this term is remaining 3x minus y dx plus 4x dy. Now parametric equation. Parametric equation is x equal to 2 cos theta, y equal to 2 sin theta, dx equal to minus 2 sin theta d theta, no change, dy equal to 2 cos theta d theta, limits are known to us, theta equal to 0 to 2 pi. Now let me substitute all above values and we'll see what the answer is. So 3 as it is, x is 2 cos theta, then minus 2 sin theta, dx minus 2 sin theta d theta, okay, plus 4x, x is 2 cos theta, dy 2 cos theta d theta, please do that. So 6 12 0 to 2 pi sin theta cos theta minus plus, here it is minus, there is no change in the first term, sin square theta (16). Now 12 into 4 times, that we have done, so I'm not doing it once again. 0 plus sin square theta d theta plus 16 into 4 times, I'm using reduction formula number 1, cos square theta d theta. Okay, so 48, this is 2 1 pi by 2, 64. हे किती येते? Yes, please make the required change. Hope you might have understood from where we have made the mistake. Let me write here corrected. Okay, this is correct. This is correct. So whether you obtain answer by line integral or surface integral, it will be same. Okay, you can decide whether you want to solve it by line integral method or surface integral. Okay, any doubt here? A doubt ahead? Okay. So probably next example will not make any mistake. Sure. Can I go through the next example?
Yes, sir.
आगे बढ़ते हैं. Sure. Right. Second example. Write with me. So we solve first example. Now we'll solve this example. इसको solve करते हैं. Evaluate. curl f bar dot n cap ds for the surface of paraboloid. Where solution. This is to be obtained. पहले पैराबोलॉइड ड्रॉ करते हैं. First we'll draw the paraboloid. Right, so that is x square plus y square equal to 9 minus z. So z equal to 0, so we have x square plus y square equal to 9. Circle, what is required for circle? Center and radius. So where is the center? 0 0 0, z equal to 0 na? What the radius is? 3. Then let me take z equal to 3. So x square plus, you can take z equal to 1, 2, whatever values you want, you can take the values. X square plus y square equal to 6, center at 0 0 3, radius is root 6, z equal to 6. So you might have understood radius is decreasing. So radius is 0. Say if I take z equal to 10, what will get? X square plus y square equal to minus 1. Imaginary circle. Circle does not exist. Okay. Draw the paraboloid. Chalo, try karo aap. So paraboloid is like this. X axis, y axis, origin, z axis. We have these different planes. Say z equal to 0 plane. Z equal to 3 plane. Z equal to 6 plane. They are parallel to each other, huh? Z equal to 9. Let me draw different. Yes, circles. Z equal to 0. Z equal to 3. Z equal to 6. Z equal to 9. Z equal to 0. Radius is 3, huh? So biggest circle. Like this. Okay, then Z equal to 3. Second one. Radius is root 6. Smaller radius. Z equal to 6, again smaller circle. Z equal to 9, point, single point. So draw the parabola. Actually, small adjustment is required. This is the paraboloid. Hope you might have understood. So how many surfaces are there for paraboloid? This is closed. This is closed. So closed surface is S. Right? This is the circle S1 and circumference of circle C. This is S1, huh? The biggest circle. This is S1. It is on Z equal to 0 plane, no? Therefore, I'm audible? I'm audible to
Yes, sir.
everyone? Okay. So now we are to write the Stokes theorem for paraboloid, and then we'll see how we can solve the remaining part. Can I change the page? Any doubt here? कुछ डाउट है यहाँ पे? Can I change the page? Any doubt? सबको समझ में आ रहा है ना पैराबोलॉइड कैसे है? यदि नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो जस्ट 1 मिनट. Are you able to see this paraboloid? ये पैराबोलॉइड एक्चुअली क्या है? सॉरी, ये लगाना मैं भूल गया. ये पैराबोलॉइड है. दिस इज द पैराबोलॉइड. ऐसे है, उल्टा रखा है. उल्टा यानी किधर गया पेन, किधर गया? हाँ, ये एक्स एक्सिस है. दिस इज द एक्स एक्सिस. यहाँ पे वाई एक्सिस है और ये ऊपर जेड एक्सिस है. एंड ओरिजिन इज ओवर हियर. ओके. So the whole curved surface of the paraboloid, that is S. ये नीचे जो सर्कल है ना, पूरा सर्कल है, the whole circle, that is S1. और उसकी जो बाउंड्री है सर्कल की, circumference of circle, समझ में आ रहा है ना? circumference of circle आपको ये, right? That is the C. Where the whole circle is, ये पूरा सर्कल कहाँ पे है? On XY plane. जहां पे z इक्वल टू 0 है. व्हाट इज इक्वेशन ऑफ xy प्लेन? z इक्वल टू 0. और ये z एक्सिस है, ये z एक्सिस है. देखते कि नहीं? ओके. सो 3 पार्ट्स आर देयर. लेट मी कंटिन्यू. ओके. सो राइट डाउन नेक्स्ट पेज. अकॉर्डिंग टू स्टोक्स थ्योरम, पेज नंबर 61. एक मिनट. हाँ, this is to be obtained. That can be written as curved surface of paraboloid. area of circle काय होतं ते x square plus y square equal to 9 comma z equal to 0. Circumference of circle आ रहा है सबको समझ में? सो कौन सा पार्ट सॉल्व करेंगे? दिस सरफेस इंटीग्रल और दिस लाइन इंटीग्रल. लाइन इंटीग्रल सॉल्व करते हैं. यूजुअली इट इज सिंपल. This was to be obtained. We started with this integral. But by Stokes theorem, this is equal to f bar dot dr bar. आ रहा है सबको समझ में? So let me write the f bar. This was the example ना, एक बार आप चेक करो. What the C? C को लिखो आप. Circumference of circle. Now start with the Z. Substitute these two values in above integral. और लास्ट टर्म dz इक्वल टू 0 है ना, 0 हो जाएगी. गेटिंग ना? तो अभी सर्कल क्या है? x square plus y square equal to 9. Now we have to consider parametric equation of this circle and then we have to solve it. Okay. Getting everyone? Getting everyone? Whenever there is line integral, we have to consider parametric equation. Okay, very simple. Yes, what is parametric equation of circle? X equal to r cos theta. R. Radius is known to us. अभी एक ही वेरिएबल है ना, एक ही पैरामीटर है ना, थीटा. What about limits? Closed circle ना, whole circle ना.
तर माइनस टू साइन थीटा डी थीटा.
आंसर फाइनल.
तर dx इज इक्वल टू.
Oh, sorry. Absolutely, no doubt. Substitute the values. X square y dx plus let me write separate second integral 3x y dy. So minus 27 sine theta cos square theta minus 9 sine square theta plus 12 sine theta plus 9, 27, 81. All integrals I have written together. Now I have to use reduction formula number 1. So for that I require m n. ये समझते हैं ना आप क्या है m n n? पावर है साइन की पावर इज m, cos की पावर इज n. ऑड, एक लिस्ट एटलीस्ट वन इज ऑड, बोथ इवन. ऑड, एक ऑड है, ऐसे मैं लिखना चाहता हूं. ऑड, whenever both are odd then only, sorry, whenever both are even then only answer is, लिमिट में चेंज कर रहा हूं, 2 pi is converted into pi by 2 and then we have to multiply the answer by 4, but what is required for that? Both of the power should be even. If one of them is odd, answer is 0. सेकेंड में सिर्फ वो सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है. रिडक्शन फॉर्मूला नंबर 3. minus 9 pi is the answer. Have you understood it? कहीं पे डाउट है? एनी डाउट? कुछ डाउट है? झेपते सर्वांना है? Yes or no? Not speaking anything.
Yes, sir.
Very good. At least someone is speaking. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Can I change the page? डायरेक्ट सेकेंड ईयर कितने लोग हैं यहाँ पे अभी? ये छोड़ दिया?
Hey, sir.
How many are there? Shubhangi is there. Who else is there? Only Shubhangi. Okay. Remaining all, they have decided that they will not pass the N3. Okay. No problem. 63, page number 63. चलो नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल देखते हैं. मैडम, स्टोक्स थ्योरम फॉर कोन. प्रोसीजर सेम ही है. इवैल्यूएट where S is surface of cone. Above XOY plane. Okay, great. Now, to find पहले कोण को समझते हैं. So root of x square plus y square equal to z minus 4. स्क्वायर कीजिए दोनों साइड को. Okay. When z equal to 0, z equal to 0 पुट कीजिए आप. क्या आ रहा है? सर्कल, सेंटर, रेडियस. चलो देखते हैं. Center is at 0, 0, 0. Radius is 4. Z equal to 2. X square plus y square equal to 4. X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis. Okay. So this is Z equal to 0 plane. This is Z equal to 2 plane. This is Z equal to 4 plane. Okay, चलो सर्कल ड्रॉ करो. अलग अलग सर्कल से उसको ड्रॉ करो. Z equal to 0 और रेडियस एट 0, 0. रेडियस इज 4. सो थोड़ा सा बिगेस्ट सर्कल है, देन स्मॉलर वन एंड देन पॉइंट ओनली. थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा. सो कोन इज लाइक दिस. कोन इज लाइक दिस. ये है कोन. ओके. और ये है उसका सर्कल. राइट. सो इट इज क्लोज्ड. इन दिस वे इट इज क्लोज्ड. ये क्लोज्ड पार्ट है. कोन शायद आप समझते हैं. ओके. सो S, this is the circle S1 and boundary of the circle C. जो S1 है that is on Z equal to 0 plane. So ये सर्कल है S1. चलो, I'll go to the next page. As we have written in case of Stokes theorem, in case of paraboloid, same thing over here. According to Stokes theorem, come 5 minutes. del cross f bar dot ds bar, and that is equal to line integral. Okay, so S is curve surface of cone. Write the equation of cone. 4 minus square plus y square. Okay. S1 is circle, area of circle. I hope you understand it now. X square plus y square equal to 16, comma z equal to 0, and C circumference of circle. X square plus y square equal to 16, comma z equal to 0. Okay, so our aim is to solve this double integral del cross f bar dot ds bar, this integral, first integral. So by Stokes theorem, what we have done, we converted that into maybe surface integral over the circle, or maybe single integral, line integral over the circumference of circle. So it is always suggested, it is always better to solve the line integral. And how to solve the line integral? For that we have to consider, yes, what is to be considered? Cartesian equation or polar equation? Shreyas, काय consider करायचं असते?
कार्टेशियन.
अरे राजन, नाही Cartesian. It is
Parametric.
parametric equation. Very good. We have to consider parametric equation.
हा, पॅरामेट्रिक. X is equal to r cos theta,
Correct.
y is equal to r.
Correct. Write it. So we have x minus y dx plus x square plus yz dy minus 3xy square dz. C is circle, circumference of circle. Hope now you understand this. X square plus y square equal to 16, comma z equal to 0. Since z equal to 0, by default dz will be equal to 0. So the above integral will become x minus y dx plus x square plus yz, z equal to 0. And then in last term dz equal to 0, therefore last term is equal to 0. So we have x minus y dx plus x square dy. Now we want to solve this line integral. So C is circumference of circle x square plus y square equal to 16. So understand that a radius is 4, that is required while considering parametric equation. Right up to this page. Any doubt? Understood everything? Now our yes, doubt? Now our aim is to find the line integral only, to solve the single integral, and for that we have to consider parametric equation. Remember this, whenever there is single integral, whenever there is line integral, we have to use the parametric equation of circle. Okay, so let me go to the next page, page number 65. So parametric equation of circle.
Surface.
Oh, sorry. Parametric equation of circle x square plus y square equal to 16. Page number 65. So x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, that is x equal to 4 cos theta 4 sin theta So you might have observed that at least for last 4 examples, 3 examples, sorry, we are getting circumference of circle, and for that we have to consider parametric equation. Limits theta equal to 0 to 2 pi. Okay. So the line integral is like this: x minus y dx, then x square dy, na? X square dy. Substitute the values. Theta equal to 0 to 2 pi x 4 cos theta minus 4 sin theta dx x square 16 cos square theta into dy 4 cos theta d theta. Okay, simplify it. Minus 16 sin theta cos theta minus plus 16 sin square theta cos cube theta. Now we have to use reduction formula number 4. M equal to 1, N equal to 1. M equal to 2. N means cosine term. We don't have cosine term, so 0. M equal to 0, N equal to 3. Odd. Both are even. Okay, at least one of them is odd. So by reduction formula, 4 times 0 to pi by 2. First term is 0. Second term non-zero. Third term 0. Okay, that is 64 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta d theta. Reduction formula 16 pi is the answer. Check your answer. Are you getting answer like this? Everyone is getting same answer. So see, after this, our aim is to use the Stokes theorem for hemisphere, ellipse, trapezoidal, cube, disc, square, and great circle. So few more examples are remaining. Okay, so we'll continue after half an hour. Half an hour break is there. So if you want to have lunch, breakfast, whatever it is, please go for it. No any other lecture will be there. Only maths lecture we have today. Okay, and we'll try to complete Stokes theorem, and we'll start with the one more theorem, that is Gauss divergence theorem, after some time. Huh? So we'll start at 11:30 sharp. Okay, so you take break. You can leave the meeting. No any problem. Any doubt at this moment? Let me take the attendance. Just 1 minute. Yes, I have taken attendance. Okay, no problem. You can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, we'll start at 11:30. Huh?